Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's start with a new features tutorial, or we can say that we will see today's features. So go for the plane, go for the sketch, draw a rectangular shape in here. Go for the features, extrude the boss base. That means we are using the extrude feature part. That's okay. Now if we go for the revolve boss base, what we have to do? We have to draw. Let's see what we can do. We can do what? If we go for the sketch one, go for the sketch. We have do not have selected any plane, so go for the plane. And if we draw a rectangle over here, and if we go for the revolve boss base and select this line, it will draw a cylinder along with that profile. Okay, we can see that it's drawn. Now for swept boss base, we have to draw a spline tool. For that we go for a sketch. We didn't select the plane. For the sketch, yeah, now what we have to do, just go for the spline. Let's draw a little bit. Go for features, swept boss base, select the profile. Yeah, file and a path must be provided to define the swept the profile. Okay, so the profile will be this one and the path will be this one. Let us see. So this profile, this circular part is drawn along with this line. You can see that. So this is the swept wash base. It's looking like a handle now. Okay. Now if we go for the lofted wash base, uh, we can see that it shows the adds material between two or more profile to create a solid feature. The first, last, or first and last profile can be points. Okay, so if we go for this, what we have to do, we have to select this one. First we have to select a profile, and again we have to select the profile. Let's suppose this one is this, and you can see that this is showing an let me zoom out. Yeah, you can see that we can see that these are showing a lofted joint between these two planes. If we hit OK, I cannot knit sheets together. Okay, it's because it's not in the same plane, actually in same shape. If you go for the sketch again, let's go and draw a circle over here, or yeah, you can do that. Let me once bring it to the, yeah. If we go for the top plane and sorry, sketch, and if we draw a circle over here, let's suppose this one, and if we go for the, again we have to let's draw a circle over here, and if we go for the law, where is the, sorry, let me exit, go for the feature, lofted boss base, at least two profile faces. So first profile and second profile, select a continuous group of entities. Okay, for that we have to, what we have to do, we have to go for the sketch and we have to make a two different planes, one on each other, and then we have to join the lofted plane. That's why it's not working currently. Let me do it for you. I mean, so let me show you how we will do that. Just go for the, select a plane, go for the reference geometry plane. Okay, it will show a reference plane on top of each. If you wish, you can yeah, let's suppose we have drawn this, and let's hit OK over here, and let's go for this plane and go for the sketch. If we draw our, suppose a smaller rectangle over here, and let's suppose what we have to select. We have to go for the, actually let's select this one. Sorry, sketch, edit, features, lofted boss base, and first one is selected, the second one I have selected also, and the guided curve will be, what will be the guided curve? What happened? Some of these section or guide curves are invalid, please select again. What happened to this now? There is no guided curve. Select lofted boss base 5, produce self-intersecting geometry. The feature could not be created because it would produce self-intersecting geometry. Why it's not doing that? Okay, that's why it's not working. Actually we have to shift the profile, that's why it's not working. The endpoint was showing over there and there, that's why it was showing intersecting. Okay, if we hit enter, you can see that it's lifted the base over here. And if we want to draw a circle over there, we will see in future, I mean in the upcoming videos, that how we can draw lofted base along with the rectangle, triangle and circular plane. Okay, I will show it later. And let's see what are left now. If we go for this boundary base, does it show that? Direction 2, error face 1. Leave it, I will show it in the future videos. And you have seen the extrude cut hole wizard. Let's see hole wizard. What we can do, we can go for this plane, select hole wizard. Okay, and let's suppose we select this one, go for the positioning, and let me zoom in here, then it will show clearly. If we just hit a circle here and click OK, you can see a hole is drawn through all. You can see through this. Okay, so this one is the, what type of hole is this? Tapered hole. Am I right? Flat head tapered hole. Okay, or flat head hole. Okay, if we want to change the type of the hole, just we can simply select from this. Okay, or let's see, suppose this one, or this one, or this one. So you can see that these are some types of hole we can draw through hole wizard. Okay, if we hit OK, the hole will be changed. And you can also select the screw method. And one more thing, we can draw threaded holes too. For that we have to just go for the threaded one, and we have to select a profile. This one is the profile, it will show a threaded hole inside that. Okay, if we hit OK, okay, yeah, actually we have to extrude the hole because we have made the hole before. So extruded, then if we enter, I mean OK, it will draw threaded hole inside it. You can see that the hole is now threaded. So that's all for today's video. We will see much of these of things. Oh yeah, we can see fillet right now. For that just we have to select this one, this one, this one and this one, and hit OK. It will show it's filleted. Now you can see that. If you wish to see chamfer, just go for this, select this one, this one, this one, and where the go, yeah, and this one. Let's chamfer it. Now it's chamfered, you can see that. Chamfer is simply the plain slided part, and this one is the rotated. It's have an degree of rotation, and it have two different sides cut it in. You know all that, actually, I think so. Now, linear pattern, it's have different type of patterns, so I will show these in future videos. So that's all for today. Thank you, and bye bye.